At Premier Tech, we manufacture, we install, we build, we make a difference. By partnering with us for both equipment and installation, you benefit from a seamless experience and the peace of mind that comes from working with a trusted partner who closes the loop on your project. We can handle everything, including demolition, de-installation, site preparation, and additional equipment procurement if needed, so that you don't need to worry about the details. Your dedicated project manager simplifies communication and streamlines the process, giving you peace of mind. Our expertise ensures precise installation and optimized performance, minimizing disruptions and keeping your line running smoothly. We're here to make your life easier. Our understanding of your equipment allows you to reach peak operating efficiency quickly. With us, you get the most out of your investment. Premier Tech goes beyond just installation. If you're looking to expand your existing manufacturing facility or build a new one, we are here for you. We are your one-stop shop for engineering, project management, general contracting, brownfield expansion, and greenfield design. We are committed to delivering the highest standards of quality and safety in all our projects. Our team designs, builds, and delivers the safest equipment, ensuring the protection of your team. Bring your projects to life with Premier Tech. We manufacture, we install, we build, and we make a difference.